Best GPS navigation for car on Amazon. Number 1. The Garmin DriveSmart 65. The Garmin DriveSmart 65 in traffic is a dedicated GPS navigator that features a 6.95 edge-to-edge high-resolution touchscreen display and provides users with a wealth of information in great detail with lifetime maps. This navigator comes preloaded with detailed, street-level maps of North America. Along with Poise, this GPS makes it easy to find addresses. This device comes with the Garmin DriveSmart feature that offers Wi-Fi connectivity, live services that allow you to pair your phone for hands-free usage and voice-activated navigation. You just have to say "OK Garmin" to command the navigator without taking your hands off the steering wheel. The Garmin DriveSmart 65 also encourages safe driving by providing driver alerts for school zones and speed changes. It includes the traffic feature that helps you avoid traffic. The Up Ahead feature shows upcoming stops for food, gas, and cities. The new Garmin DriveSmart 65 navigator goes above and beyond to simplify any road trip or daily commute. Number 2. TomTom Go Comfort 6-inch GPS navigation device with updates via Wi-Fi. TomTom Traffic. Supremely accurate traffic information enables your TomTom Go Comfort GPS navigation device to intelligently plan routes around traffic. 3-month speed alerts. Stay updated, under the speed limit, and safer along the way. Keep going with live services by switching over to a subscription after your trial ends. USA, Mexico, and Canada map updates at no extra cost. See what is up ahead with your Go Comfort GPS. Effortless navigation, exceptional clarity, and routes around road closures and other traffic hassles. Wireless connectivity. Stay updated quickly and easily with the Go Comfort GPS navigation device. Get regular software and map updates with the convenience of built-in Wi-Fi. No computer needed. Road Trips by TomTom. Supercharge your holidays. Road Trips brings you another world of driving and riding experiences created by our Road Trips community. Sync them easily to your GPS and go. Smartphone messages and the on-the-road distractions. To keep your focus on the road, opt to have your messages read out loud effortlessly via TomTom Go Comfort's function. Number 3. XGODY GPS for car GPS navigation. XGODY 5-inch trucker GPS navigation for car with 4 navigation modes. Fast, short, economical, easy for different ways to set the destination. Postcodes, address, coordinates, point of interest. 7 vehicle types to choose from. Car, lorry, bus, taxi, emergency, bicycle, pedestrian. Can provide your professional truck customization to customize more suitable routes for you, also avoiding roads such as width, height, and weight restrictions. This car GPS navigator has turn-by-turn voice navigation, multi-language version, comprehensive voice prompts, and prompt real-time safety navigation direction of progress. With an intelligent error correction function, the navigation GPS for car system will automatically generate new routes to make you faster and more secure. If the route is wrong, this GPS navigation can automatically measure the speed to inform the speed limit section in advance and issue a speeding warning. The Trucker GPS for car has pre-installed with the latest maps of Canada, Mexico, United States, plus free lifetime updates. The offline maps and the GPS navigation for trucks allow you to never lose driving road and direction on the mountains and tunnels without the mobile data plan. The car GPS sat-nav also supports TF South Dakota card, not included, up to 32 GB. Number 4. Garmin DriveSmart 86 8-inch car GPS navigator. 8 navigator with high resolution, dual orientation display and map updates of North America. Special feature: large display, voice assist, hands-free calling, live traffic and weather, traffic cams and parking, smart notifications, driver alerts, TripadVisor, National Parks Directory, find places by name, Garmin Real Directions feature. Hands-free calling when paired with your compatible smartphone with Bluetooth technology and convenient Garmin Voice Assist lets you ask for directions to places you want to go. Road trip ready features include the history database of notable sites, a U.S. National Parks Directory, TripadVisor traveler ratings, and millions of Foursquare points. Driver alerts for things such as school zones, sharp curves, and speed changes help encourage safer driving and increase situational awareness. Access live traffic, fuel prices, weather, parking, and smart notifications. When you pair this navigator with your compatible smartphone, Running the Garmin Drive app. With Alexa built in, drivers should focus on driving and only use this function when safe to do so. Must pair with the Garmin Drive app running on your compatible phone. You can ask to play music, listen to audiobooks, hear the news, and more, all while you keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows easy map and software updates without a computer. Included dual USB charger provides an extra charging port for phones, tablets, or other electronics. Number 5. TomTom Go Discover 73 GPS navigation device. Trusted TomTom traffic and speed camera alerts. Stay relaxed and in control with time and fuel saving, traffic congestion avoidance, reliable arrival times, and 1-year speed cam alerts. Most accurate TomTom world maps, updated wirelessly and effortlessly. Drive with total confidence with the freshest maps, which are smaller in size and faster to update via Wi-Fi at no extra cost. Largest HD7 screen and powerful speaker. Safer driving with crystal clear route guidance via your car GPS's screen and speaker. Smooth motion, exceptional picture clarity, and vivid voice. So far today. See you next day and subscribe.